currently a thunderstorm while you can see the sunrise peeking through the trees. Amazing. Let's go inside, huh? Gonna go inside? I think the babies might have hatched last night. Mom's doing something. Dad was up on the wires, whatever, of the planter, looking down with Mom. And now she's sitting on the nest again. This plant is all dead. And all you can see is this little, see that tail right there? That's the mama bird tail. She's sitting right there in the nest, and I need to water that plant because it is like super dying. That's her tail sticking out. Okay, so Mama Cardinal is away eating, so I just wanted to get in here just really quick to show you guys. They know I'm here. But we got some babies in here. That's a good boy. It's nice, huh? Nice today. Nice and cool. Feeling good, huh? You're such a good swimmer. Good boy. I bet this guy is gonna molt today. I'm pretty sure he's still alive. Or she. It. Check out how cool they look, though. Have you ever seen a cicada up close? These are the things that scream in the trees during the summer. Everything is looking really good in the garden. We've been getting a ton of rain, and more is on the way. Just a quick little walk through today, because it is wet, wet, wet. Super dark over there. That red flower, he does not like walking on the soggy ground. Keep looking for some male flowers for these spaghetti squash. I've been getting so many female flowers, and just, I think I'm learning a lesson here that if I plant some squash, I need to plant more than I need, so I can just have you know, some backups in the event that one's not flowering. I can get another, maybe another vine might have a male flower, right? I only have these three really, and so the chances of having a male flower sometimes are low, but that's okay. I have a lot more behind them coming, and still have all season. It's okay. It's only July. I have a long growing season ahead. We got maybe even into December. So it's not an emergency just quite yet. And really, it's never an emergency. I'm not growing food because I have to. So I gotta just remember that. Look at that meadow boy. I bet he's gonna try to poop in there. Red, it's so tall, huh? So he doesn't like squishy grass, but he'll go in the tall grass. Boy, buddy. Oh, okay, he's peeing. Let's go back up. Let's go inside. Come on. Let's go. Take me back on that trail. Good boy. Take me all the way back. It is squishy. We've gotten like 5 inches of rain already in July. That's crazy. It's July 11th. That is very strange and rare for North Texas this time of year. Come on. The spider making a web. It's hard to zoom in on him. He's moving so much. Their feet. Oh, so close. It's going. Soon there's going to be another web between those sticks. Marigolds looking really good tonight. We've had an amazing amount of rain. The garden is just out of control. What a good boy. Yeah. He's like, Mama, why are we still outside? This is why. Because the garden is beautiful. Look at that guy. Are you helping? Are you helping, my friend? He's big. Look at him compared to my hand in this okra. Look at this cantaloupe bed. It's looking really good. And I have some baby cantaloupes. We'll see. We'll see if I get any. I have never grown a cantaloupe. I welcome any cantaloupe growing tips. And it is as humid as it looks and feels outside tonight. It is about 85 degrees and about 85% humidity, and the dew point is 80. So if you don't know about dew point, the higher the dew point is, or rather the closer the dew point is to the actual temperature, that is essentially, like, if the dew point was 80 and the temperature was 80, that means like the air is water, right? The closer that it gets to the actual temperature indicates just that much level of water vapor in the air. So if you have a really high dew point, especially when it's anything over 50, oh my God, you're gonna feel it. And it's sweltering, and I'm out here in long sleeves because that's the only way you can go out into the garden without bug spray and not get bit right now. Because again, no natural predators. I've gone on my tangent about that. I don't need to go into it today. But anyway, it was an awesome rainy day. It rained all morning and kept things cool until now. So I'm probably going to have a lot of weeding ahead of me, but I'm hoping that all of these beans I've put in will start really coming in. And so then I won't have to water as much because they will kind of serve as a natural shade. So anyway, gonna take this good boy in. He ran off the patio and I was like, oh God, because when he runs, he is a very menacing, serious, full sprint run. But he just saw somebody walking and had to go say hi to them because we don't have a fence. So if anybody just walking down the street, he's gonna come running full speed ahead to go say hi. Yes, at least you're saying hi and you're being nice. Yes, he's practicing. He's learning. He's learning how to be a country dog. He was born a country dog, out in the country. That's right. And we adopted him, and then he became a very, very sheltered city pup. That's his sleepy face. Just say AC, buddy. Come on. Want to go in? Yeah, let's go in. We'll go in. Come on, buddy. Y'all have a good night.